Welcome back to Drive Future, and today we're stepping into the rebirth of a true automotive legend, a name that echoes through rally history and performance culture like few others ever have. This is the 2026 Lancia Stratos, a car that isn't just a remake or a tribute, but a bold reimagining of one of the most iconic machines ever built. The original Stratos was a purpose-built rally weapon, a car designed to dominate the toughest stages in the world, and a new Stratos carries that same rebellious spirit into the modern supercar era. From the moment you see it, the connection is unmistakable, yet everything about this car feels sharper, more aggressive, and unapologetically modern. The exterior design of the 2026 Lancia Stratos is where nostalgia and innovation collide. Its unmistakable wedge-shaped profile pays homage to the original while being sculpted with advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials. The short wheelbase, wide stance, and dramatic curves give the car an almost predatory presence. The front end is low and aggressive, with slim LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the bodywork, while the rear is muscular and purposeful, emphasizing the mid-engine layout. Every line serves a function, whether it's improving airflow, increasing downforce, or simply reminding you that this car was designed with performance as its top priority. Under the skin, the 2026 Stratos is a true driver's machine. Built on a heavily modified supercar platform, the chassis is shortened to deliver lightning-quick responses and razor-sharp handling. At the heart of the car is a naturally aspirated V8, a rare and increasingly valuable feature in a world dominated by turbocharging and electrification. This high-revving engine delivers well over 500 horsepower, sending power directly to the rear wheels through a performance-focused transmission that prioritizes driver engagement. Acceleration is brutal and immediate, with the Stratos launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds, while the soundtrack from the V8 reminds you why naturally aspirated engines are still loved by purists. Lightweight construction plays a massive role in the Stratos' performance. Extensive use of carbon fiber keeps weight impressively low, giving the car an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. This translates into explosive acceleration, incredible cornering stability, and a feeling of connection that's becoming increasingly rare in modern cars. The suspension setup is fully adjustable, allowing the Stratos to transform from a road-focused supercar into a track-ready monster at the push of a button. The steering is direct, precise, and filled with feedback, making every corner feel alive and engaging. Step inside the 2026 Lancia Stratos, and you immediately understand its purpose. This is not a luxury cruiser built for comfort alone. The cockpit is tight, focused, and driver-centric, wrapping around you like a racing suit. Carbon fiber dominates the interior, paired with premium materials and bespoke details that reinforce the car's exclusivity. The seats are deeply bolstered, designed to hold you firmly in place during aggressive driving, while the steering wheel and pedals are positioned perfectly for maximum control. The dashboard keeps distractions to a minimum, giving the driver only the information that truly matters. Technology in the Stratos is present, but never overwhelming. Modern driver aids, performance telemetry, and adjustable driving modes are included, but they exist to enhance the experience rather than dilute it. This is a car that expects you to drive, not be driven. Every input matters, every decision is felt, and every drive becomes an event. It's a refreshing reminder of what driving used to feel like, combined with the reliability and precision of modern engineering. One of the most compelling aspects of the 2026 Lancia Stratos is its exclusivity. This is not a mass-produced supercar you'll see at every car meet. Production numbers are extremely limited, making each example a collector's dream. Owners can customize their cars expensively, choosing unique paint finishes, interior trims, and performance settings to create a truly personal machine. This level of individuality, combined with the car's heritage, ensures that the Stratos is as much a piece of automotive art as it is a performance weapon. Beyond the numbers and specifications, the Stratos represents something deeper. It symbolizes the revival of a fearless automotive philosophy, one that values emotion, sound, and raw connection over pure efficiency. In an era where the industry is rapidly moving toward electrification and autonomy, the 2026 Lancia Stratos stands as a defiant celebration of driving passion. It reminds us why legends matter and why some cars transcend generations. The legacy of Lancia has always been built on innovation, motorsport success, and daring design, and the Stratos embodies all of that in one stunning package. This car isn't trying to compete with every modern supercar on paper. Instead, it offers something more meaningful: character, soul, and a driving experience that stays with you long after the engine shuts off. The 2026 Lancia Stratos is not just a return of a name, it's a statement. A statement that legends never truly die, they simply wait for the right moment to be reborn. And for enthusiasts who crave authenticity, exclusivity, and pure driving emotion, this car delivers all of that and more. This is the Stratos for a new generation, built with respect for the past and confidence in the future, and it might just be one of the most exciting machines to ever wear the Lancia badge.